Technical analysis is a very powerful tool that can help investors enter and exit out of a stock. It can help you find stocks that are likely to rally and inversely stocks that could potentially fall. However, learning technical analysis is time consuming, as learning to read graphs, chart patterns, price indicators, oscillators is kind of like learning a new language. The good news is, at Bell Direct, our technical insight tool powered by Trading Central cuts out some of that time for you, arming you with trading ideas, filtering the market for bullish and bearish stocks using chart patterns and price indicators. Once you've logged into Bell Direct, head to Research and Tools, and here you'll see the Technical Insight page. You can simply search for a stock you like by entering in the ASX code here to see which direction a stock might go based on standard technical analysis principles. You can set up alerts, watch lists, read more about analysis in the Education Centre, and get trading ideas. Today, we're going to look at trading ideas and lastly, set up a watch screen. First, let's dive to ideas featured on the main Trading Insight page. Scrolling down, you'll see 4 streams: the most viewed bullish stocks for the day, the most popular stocks that other Bell Direct users have been looking at over the last 90 days, what's trending now and has been over the past week, as well as the most viewed bearish stocks for the day. Let's say if I wanted to invest 10% of my pay into a bullish company each month to grow my wealth, I might look at these bullish stocks. Hovering over each, you can see what sector the company is in, what price the stock closed on the prior trading day, and I can scroll across to see more or click to view all bullish ideas. Say a company takes your interest, click here. You'll see what the stock closed at yesterday, what sector it's in, and how it's performed versus its peers. And I can click on this for more of a comparison. The default screen here shows you all the technical events or indicators that have been triggered based on the company's recent trading history. Based on the levels reached and indicators triggered, it will tell me if a stock is likely to rally, if it's showing a bullish signal, or fall if it's giving off bearish signs. Under the chart is a summary of all the bullish indicators and the bearish ones, along with a price target. If you want more detail, the scroll bar summarizes all the different chart patterns and technical indicators hit. The green are bullish signals, red are bearish. You can click on any of these to see what the indicator means and why the stock is likely to move higher or lower. You can read more here as well. But let's X out of that. Another thing that you can do is hover over a technical indicator on the chart to see what occurred. Remember, if you want more info on the technical indicator, use the Education tab above. You can also zoom in or out of the chart like this. And if you want more details again, each of these technical events triggered will be grouped into the different periods that they've occurred. Short term, over 2 to 6 weeks, immediate term, 6 weeks to 9 months, and longer term, over 9 months. Once you're ready to trade, you can click buy or sell here and the order pad will come up. Now let's change pace to show you how to personalize the Technical Insight tool by creating a watch list. So let's click watch list, then new watch list. Name your list. I'll call mine look to buy. Click save. Then just add the investments that you want by entering their stock codes, symbols, say ELD, APT, NXT, TNT, AR9. Now I can see a technical analysis summary for the stocks I added to my watch list. You'll see the support and resistance levels. Support is the lower price here, where the stock regularly stops falling and bounces back up. And the resistance, which is the higher price. This is where the price normally rises to and then dips back down from again. You can see the bullish versus bearish indicators over the short term, intermediate or longer term. This is particularly useful if you're planning to make a trade. You can click on a company which will take you to the technical insight page for the stock, and you can also click to find event, and it will summarize the technical patterns, indicators or oscillators. So now I've got some trading ideas that I can go away and investigate more closely.